Where are my people from the north? To Hausa Alkubus the irin taku. Today we are taking you on a flavorful journey to the heart of Hausa Alkubus, where we will learn how to make this beloved delicacy, Alkubus. This soft, fluffy and slightly sweet steamed bread is a staple in most Hausa homes, and it is enjoyed with different kinds of soups and stews. Most common is miyan taushe, a vegetable and groundnut soup. Alkubus can be prepared for special occasions or just to enjoy with the family. Hello, my name is Diana. Come, let's go to my kitchen and let me show you how to make Alkubus. So to begin, I have my clean bowl. I've measured out 3 cups of flour. I go in with my 3 cups of flour. Added some oil, some salt, went in with some baking powder, yeast, some sugar, and you mix very well like this. I then added some chopped onions and chopped bell peppers. I mix them like this. Then added some water, a little at a time. You don't want it to be too thick like bread. Neither do you want it to be too watery, so you just be adding the water a little at a time, like so. You add, you mix, you add, you mix until you get the right consistency. Like this. Mix it very well. Went in with some more water. Like I said, you don't pour a lot of water at the same time. Just a little at a time. You put, you mix, you put, you mix until you get the right consistency. Like so. Now this is about the consistency that it's needed. I now cover with a cling film and then allow it to rise. Cover it very well and just keep it for an hour or two to rise. Now I'm going to prepare our pot. I go in with a colander into an empty pot, pour some water, and then cover it before I now go back to our Alkubus. You can see our mixture has risen. Now beat it very well to mix it until it's soft enough. Just beat it very well like this. Set aside. So these are the containers I'm going to use to steam the Alkubus. I oil them one after the other, like so. This is to avoid the Alkubus from sticking to the containers and for you to easily remove them. After oiling, I scoop some a little and put into each container like this. containers, like so. You can see the water is boiling. The colander has been suspended. It's not directly on the pot. So I now arrange the alkubus in the colander like this. You just need the steam to cook it, so you don't drop it inside the water. Just something like you're cooking mai. Just put it like this. Arrange them well into the colander, like so. You now cover and allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now we are back to check. Just open one, use a toothpick. When you put it and it comes out clean, it means your alkubus is ready. You can see how beautiful it's looking. You now remove it from the containers. You can see how easy it comes out because we already oiled our container, so it won't stick. Just remove them one after the other like this. And of course, you enjoy with any soup of your choice. I served mine with me and taushe, a vegetable soup made with groundnut. You can serve yours with stew. You can even eat it like this. See how gorgeous and how beautiful it is looking. Our alkubus is ready to be enjoyed. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for easy and tasty recipes such as this. Also share this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next. Don't forget, cooking is art. Enjoy and stay healthy.